This is the Xiaomi 12T, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can enable the keyboard clipboard on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to launch the keyboard itself. Then find this little icon over here at the top toolbar that is, stands for the clipboard. That will bring you to the dedicated clipboard section of your keyboard. In order to activate it, you gotta either switch on this toggle or tap on the turn on clipboard blue button. Then if you would like to add any new element to your clipboard, you gotta copy it. If you would like to otherwise, on the other hand, use the clipboard element that you have, tap on it, it will be pasted. And last but not least, if you are interested in removing any clipboard element you have, tap on the pencil icon, select what elements you would like to get rid of, and then click on the trash bin. You can also undo that as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.